Good morning. Thank you for tuning in to your daily operations weather brief for Wednesday, February 12th. We did see a little bit of sunshine this morning. We are starting to see clouds thicken up, mainly at the mid and upper levels this morning, and that'll be the case throughout the day, seeing mostly cloud overcast skies, mainly at that mid to upper level. It is going to be dry today with some much more seasonable temperatures than we have been seeing the past several days, but we will be seeing those temperatures rise again as we go late into tonight and into tomorrow, and seeing those rain chances return after midnight tonight. Take a quick look at our satellite loop across the region. There you see this is the infrared satellite showing those abundant clouds, mainly in the mid and upper levels, like I said, streaming across the region. Do have a that front that brought us that abundant rainfall yesterday has dipped south across the Carolinas. A little bit of high pressure building to the north of the area, so that'll help to keep things dry today. The vicinity of that front, as well as some upper level moisture, will keep us cloudy, and then we'll see that front lift north tonight in the form of a warm front, and that'll help to raise temperatures and also reintroduce the rain chances back to our area. So taking a look at our surface analysis, there's that front there with that high pressure building in. For today, like I said, we're going to be seeing that high pressure give us some more seasonable conditions today for our high temperature, and then this front will be lifting north again later tonight as a warm front, and that'll give us early low temperature this evening, with temperatures rising in the overnight hours, and then seeing a unseasonably warm day tomorrow, as well as scattered rain showers throughout much of the day. As of 8 a.m., seeing just a scattered cloud deck of 10,000 feet, broken at 20,000. Winds were from due north at 5 knots, temperature of 45 degrees, relative humidity at 60%. Taking a look at our forecast for today, going to be seeing a high around noontime of 48 degrees. We'll see those winds shift northeasterly at 7 to 12 knots late this morning, then easterly 8 to 13 knots by this afternoon under mostly cloudy to overcast skies. Winds will then shift southeasterly as we go towards the late afternoon, early evening period, and then as we approach midnight, those winds will be increasing from the south and becoming south-southwesterly at 10 to 15 knots and gusty as we go past midnight, and then seeing those winds increase from the southwest by the pre-dawn hours of Thursday, and then possibly seeing a wind advisory as we get near sunrise on Thursday morning, as those winds ramp up a bit ahead of the frontal passage that's expected around the midday period on Thursday. We are going to be seeing our low pretty early tonight. Looks like around 8 p.m. is when we should be seeing the low around 44 degrees. And then with those southwesterly winds increasing, we'll be seeing temperatures rise throughout the overnight period. And then also seeing those rain showers begin. Looks like mainly after about 8 p.m. with rain becoming a little bit more higher chance after midnight. Anything from about 8 p.m. to midnight looks like only around 15 to perhaps 20% chance, and then ramping up to 30 to 40% chance after midnight for our rain. Also going to be seeing some low clouds across the region develop once we get later into the evening. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, going to be just seeing those broken to overcast mid and upper level clouds throughout the morning hours, and then once we get into this afternoon, going to see those clouds start to slowly lower, especially towards the end of the workday, becoming few to 5,000, broken at 6,500, and overcast at 10,000 by about 4 p.m. And then we'll see just that slight chance of a sprinkle or two until about 6 to 8 p.m. when we'll start to slowly see those rain showers increase a bit. After 8 p.m., that's when we're going to start to see those ceilings lower, becoming few to scattered around 1,000 feet and overcast between about 2,500 and 4,000 feet until midnight. And then at midnight, we'll see those ceilings as low as around 500 feet at times, overcast between about 1 to 2,000 feet with restricted visibilities is down to around 2 statute miles with some sky, with a chance of those showers around, and then maybe even some showers or drizzle with those low clouds, and as we will be in that very moist, warm sector by mid-morning tomorrow. So for tomorrow, we are going to be seeing cloudy skies throughout the day. We're going to be getting a frontal passage as we go towards the midday period. That's going to give us some scattered showers. Looks like thunderstorm chances from the past couple of days looking at for Thursday have a decrease, so still can't rule out about a 5% chance of a thunderstorm, but looking very unlikely at this time, as there's not going to really be any instability developed ahead of that front due to that low cloudiness. But Due to that southwesterly flow ahead of that front, still expecting some unseasonably warm temperatures with a high of 66 degrees. Also going to be a little bit breezy with those prefrontal winds. As we go into Thursday night behind that front, it's still going to be mostly cloudy and mild. Slightly breezy as well, and then seeing a low of around 39 degrees. And then as we go into Friday, we'll start to see some more cold, seasonable temperatures once again. Seeing partly cloudy skies early, and then seeing those skies become mostly sunny by the late afternoon. It will be breezy at times, expecting wind gusts to 25 to around 25 knots, and then seeing a chilly high Friday of 43 degrees. That'll do it for your daily operations weather brief. We'll be back at 10 a.m. for your full weather briefing and extended outlook. Have a great day.